What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2012 Harley Davidson 883 Sportster. Guys, it's a great looking bike. It does have some flaws. There is some rash on that, on the pipes. If you can see those, they are stock pipes, and the rash underneath there. A little bit of, it's like gummy stuff. You can get that out. Fender's in good shape. Okay, so here's one of the big flaws. There is a dent in the tank right here, if you can see that. You get that popped out. It's not that big of a deal. It's with these horrible leather grips. I would switch those the minute I got this bike. Part of the brake is snapped off there. It's like ground. Well, I mean, it's snapped off. It's ground down. So it looks like this bike did go over on the left-hand side. Oh, the right-hand side. Sorry. Fender scuffed right there. Runs good though. I mean, it's not a huge deal. Scuff on the tank. Scuff on the tank. Just a very classic looking engine. It's a very plain looking Sportster. Seat's in great shape. Has a little rider seat as well. Kind of looks like a Mustang rider seat, but I don't know. There is a scrape on the speedometer. 9,000 miles on it. Let's fire this beast up. Battery needs a little charge. Then it's cold weather. Bike, guys. Like I showed you, the dent, the scuffs on the right hand side. It is a 2012 Harley Davidson 883 Sportster. Check the tires real quick. Front tire looks good. Got good tread depth. It's only got 9,000 miles on it. I showed you that, but let me just re-show you. It's only got 9,500 miles on it. Tread depth in the rear. Yeah, it's good. So, I mean, it's gonna be a great first bike for somebody. It's gonna be crazy cheap. Like I said, guys, 2012 Harley Davidson 883. Make sure to check out the test drive video on this bike. If it's something you want, let me know. Numbers on the website as well as on the About Me page on the YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching, guys.